All right, well, hello everybody. Mark Anthony, welcome back. These were sent to me for my review. These are your under cabinet lighting, wireless, rechargeable, motion sensor activated. I love these things. Okay, it comes as a 2-pack, very thin, very easy to install, very easy to operate. Right there is your on-off button. Okay, so I just turned it on. If I were to leave this alone for about 20 seconds, it would turn itself off. Or if I hit it one more time, it's now on. Okay, and it'll stay on until I turn it off. Okay, now they last for hundreds of times, hundreds of motion uses. So should not need to be charged for months at a time. And to install them, by the way, it comes with the USB-C. Okay, there it is. Right? It comes with these little things. You mount them on the underneath of the cabinet. Now they only go where these here are. Okay, so put that there, put that there, and there you have it. Very thin, very easy, very lightweight. All right, put this under a cabinet. Let me show you what it looks like under a cabinet here. Okay. All right, there you go. Your under cabinet lighting situation has been solved. All right, take a look at them, and I will see you on the next video.